Did you know that having Jupiter and Virgo in your natal chart makes you a natural problem solver and a master of details? Let's delve into this fascinating celestial configuration and shed some light on its significance. In the realm of astrology, your natal chart is a snapshot of the cosmos at the exact moment of your birth. It's a celestial DNA, if you will, mapping out the positions of the planets and how they influence your personality, your strengths, your challenges, and your life path. Jupiter, known as the planet of expansion, abundance, and wisdom, plays a pivotal role in our natal chart. Its placement can reveal where we find our joy, where we're likely to succeed, and how we approach the journey of personal growth. Now, imagine Jupiter, this grand planet of optimism and growth, situated in the meticulous and earthy sign of Virgo. This combination paints a picture of an individual who is detail-oriented, practical, and incredibly hardworking. A person with Jupiter in Virgo has a knack for seeing the bigger picture while also being able to zoom in on the smallest of details. They are the masters of organization, and their ability to analyze and solve problems is truly unparalleled. They have a natural talent for turning chaos into order, sorting through clutter, and making sense out of the nonsensical. Their analytical mind, coupled with their desire for perfection, makes them a force to be reckoned with. But it's not all work and no play for these individuals. They also have a deep appreciation for health, wellness, and daily rituals. They find joy in the mundane, see beauty in simplicity, and are often happiest when they are helping others or improving themselves. This unique blend of traits makes Jupiter and Virgo individuals not just successful, but also incredibly valuable to those around them. They are the ones you turn to when you need a solution, when you need order, when you need a practical and efficient approach. So if you're a Virgo with Jupiter in your chart, pat yourself on the back. You're quite the individual. Jupiter and Virgo individuals are nothing if not precise. Indeed, the term precision could practically be their middle name. Their attention to detail is extraordinary and often manifests in their daily routines. Whether it's planning out the day's tasks down to the minute, or simply keeping their living space impeccably tidy, Jupiter and Virgo folks leave no stone unturned. This precision isn't just limited to their physical world, it extends into their thought processes as well. They have a knack for breaking down complex concepts into digestible, manageable parts. Their minds are constantly worrying, analyzing, and categorizing. It's as if they have an internal filing system, where every piece of information has its own designated slot. This meticulous nature can sometimes be misunderstood as being overly picky or fussy, but for those with Jupiter and Virgo, it's simply their way of making sense of the world. They thrive in order, clarity, and structure. With Jupiter and Virgo, it's all about the fine print. If there's a problem, Jupiter and Virgo has a solution. This statement, my friends, is as true as the stars themselves. The individuals with Jupiter and Virgo in their natal chart are the universe's problem solvers. They are the ones you want on your team when you're up against a challenge. Why, you ask? Well, these individuals use their analytical skills to tackle any problem that comes their way. They don't shy away from difficulties. Instead, they face them head-on, dissecting them into manageable pieces. They are like cosmic detectives, diving deep into the heart of the problem and unearthing clues that others may overlook. Their meticulous nature, combined with their keen intellect, allows them to craft practical and effective solutions. They are not just thinkers, but doers. They take their ideas from conception to execution, ensuring that no obstacle stands in their way. Jupiter in Virgo, the universe's own Sherlock Holmes, always finds a way. Work hard, play hard. For Jupiter in Virgo, it's more like work hard, work harder. Jupiter, the planet of expansion and growth, finds itself in the meticulous and diligent sign of Virgo. This celestial combination creates individuals with an unyielding work ethic. They strive for perfection in everything they do, and are often consumed by their tasks. Their workspaces are the testament to their meticulous nature, with everything in order and every detail tended to. They are driven by the pursuit of excellence and are constantly improving and refining their skills. Their dedication to their craft is admirable, and their persistence often leads them to success. But it's not all work and no play. These individuals also understand the importance of self-care and relaxation, ensuring they maintain a well-rounded life. However, when it comes to their passions and careers, there's no denying the unwavering commitment of Jupiter and Virgo. Jupiter and Virgo, the celestial embodiment of dedication and diligence. Health is wealth, and for Jupiter in Virgo, this couldn't be truer. Jupiter in Virgo has a unique relationship with health. They're the kind of individuals who take their physical well-being seriously. But it's not just about hitting the gym or following the latest diet trend. No, for Jupiter in Virgo, health is a holistic endeavor. They understand that their physical well-being is intricately tied to their mental and emotional states. Therefore, they prioritize balance in all aspects of their lives. They're the type to meditate in the morning, eat a well-balanced diet, and ensure they get adequate rest. And this isn't a chore for them. It's a labor of love, a commitment to self-care that they relish. And it's not just about self-care. Jupiter and Virgo individuals often extend this health-conscious attitude to their loved ones, encouraging and supporting them in their wellness journeys. They truly embody the phrase, "Your health is your wealth," and that's why we call them Jupiter and Virgo, the cosmic health guru. When it comes to relationships, Jupiter and Virgo individuals are as loyal as they come. These celestial natives are the epitome of reliability, always there when you need them, always ready to lend a helping hand. They are the friends who remember your birthday without a Facebook reminder, the partners who know exactly how you like your coffee, down to the last sugar grain. Their attention to detail, inherent in their Virgo roots, makes them incredibly attuned to their partner's needs. They're the ones who notice when your smile doesn't quite reach your eyes, the ones who know exactly what to say to lift your spirits when you're down. Their Jupiterian influence brings an element of optimism and positivity to their relationships, making them a beacon of light in the lives of their loved ones. But let's dive a bit deeper, shall we? Jupiter in Virgo. Individuals are not just dependable and attentive, they're also committed to growth and improvement in their relationships. They believe in the power of constructive criticism and open communication, valuing honesty above all else. They are the ones who will sit you down and have those difficult conversations, the ones who will fight for your relationship when the going gets tough. Their analytical nature may sometimes be mistaken for criticism, but rest assured, their intentions are pure. They simply want to better themselves and their relationships, striving for that ideal of perfection that is so characteristic of Virgo. However, it's essential for these individuals to remember that perfection is an illusion. It's okay to let go sometimes, to enjoy the moment without overanalyzing it. After all, relationships are not just about growth and improvement. They're also about fun, laughter, and shared memories. And so, if you're lucky enough to be in a relationship with a Jupiter and Virgo individual, cherish them. Appreciate their loyalty, their dependability, their commitment to making your relationship the best it can be. Because love with a Jupiter and Virgo is a love that's steadfast and true. So, there you have it, the multifaceted personality of Jupiter and Virgo. We've journeyed through the intricate layers of this celestial combination, uncovering the depth and breadth of its influence in a natal chart. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane. We started our journey unveiling Jupiter in Virgo, a placement that's all about precision, detail, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This is not a planet sign duo that's comfortable with half measures or superficiality. Instead, it thrives on thoroughness and precision, making its natives some of the most meticulous folks around. Then, we delved into the problem-solving abilities of this placement. Jupiter in Virgo individuals are exceptional problem solvers, using their keen intellect and practical approach to navigate even the most complex of challenges. They are natural analysts, always ready to dissect a problem and find the most efficient solution. We also explored how Jupiter in Virgo influences one's work ethic. Those with this placement are often hardworking and dedicated, always striving to improve and perfect their craft. They are also health conscious, with a keen interest in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, which is another facet of the Jupiter and Virgo personality that we discussed. And of course, we can't forget about relationships. Jupiter and Virgo individuals are reliable and dependable in their relationships. They seek stability and long-term commitment and are often willing to put in the effort to make their relationships work. So there we have it, a quick recap of our journey through the world of Jupiter and Virgo. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic happens when you start exploring your own natal chart. Who knows, you might have Jupiter in Virgo, or perhaps it's in a different sign, each with its unique characteristics and influences. So, what does your Jupiter say about you? It's time to dive into your own chart and find out. And remember, every planet in your chart has a story to tell. So, what does your Jupiter say about you?